should just see their faces light up when they see how they've accomplished something. Very good. They come in with fun new stories, with brand new energy. I always tell them, trust your brain and always try your very best.
Just be who you are.
Hi, I'm Ashton Hinds, and I'm a pre-K kindergarten teacher here at SD Spady. We're Montessori schools.
So can you point to the shape that has 0 sides?
A lot of hands-on learning, a lot of learning through play. Very good. I'm very proud of it.
Can you write that number?
Yes.
In my class, they know they're gonna work.
So,
They're reading books and writing complete sentences.
Crisscross jump.
And a lot of times they're like, Miss Hinds, I can't do that. And I'm like, not yet, but you can.
You are this week's Thank a Teacher. The love that she has for these children. She is just, they're home away from home.
You put so much effort into it, and he's so smart and doing so many new things.
And we are so thankful because she does get them prepared for their journey in the school district of Palm Beach County.
It doesn't matter what kind of day you're having, you're gonna have a good day with them.